Hello and guys, this is Fluff or Throwaway Modeler, and today I have a small box review. This is Dragon's 144 scale mini armor edition of the Panzer IV Ausführung D. As you can see, it's a rather small kit. Here's a pen, so yeah, you can see basically how small it is. It fits in your palm, basically. It's a very cute, if I can use that word, model, at least from the outside. The box art is rather nice. On the back side, here you can see the camo versions and all the markings. Only one type of camo as was usually used on the Panzer IVs, with two markings, one from France and one from Russia, all in 1940. That's about it from the outside. Let's check out the model from the inside. So this is what you get. You get one bag of plastic parts, one bag of rubber uh, tracks, and one decal sheet. Of course, the instructions for the assembly as well, which is pretty straightforward. So let's check out the plastic first. So here are all the plastic parts. You have one sprue with most of the parts, one hull piece, and one turret. So let's check out the sprue first. So this is the sprue. As you can see, you have very nice detailing all around, especially on the wheels, which in this scale are quite hard to make. The gun barrel is unfortunately not drilled out, but I mean, I cannot blame them. It's a 144 scale kit, so yeah. Uh, okay, I zoomed in a bit. As you can see, the riveting is quite nice. I call it riveting, but yeah, it's not really riveting. But yeah, rather nice detailing. Keep in mind, this is a €6 tank, and the quality you get with it is just out of this world. Um, the track is more done here, unfortunately, but I can give them a pass for that one. So, well, rather nice sprue. On the other side, nothing much going on here. So let's check out the hull. As you can see, the hull piece is one piece. Um, you might be thinking, oh, why there's no detailing here? Well, those wheels that you saw earlier, these ones, they go on this piece and they create the wheels. So that's quite a genius way of doing it. I must commend them for that. Overall, nice detailing, nice molding, absolutely no flash as is usual with Dragon. Um, I'm actually quite surprised at how well detailed the underside of the tank is. So if you want to do it like an upside down tank, it will be worth it. And only last part is the turret, which is a real shining jewel. You can see beautiful molding. Yeah. Overall, rather nice work. Now let's check out the rubber tracks. You get two of them, but I'm just going to look at one. So these are the tracks. You can see beautiful molding, absolutely out of this world. If you compare it to any other model kit, for example, Zvezda's 1 in 100 scale, which are actually larger, this just blows them out of the water. There's even detailing on the other side, albeit probably not historically accurate, but in this scale, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, absolutely stunning stuff indeed. So that's about it for the parts. Let's see decals, and here they are. Um, they look in register. Actually, I'm surprised at how many you actually get. For these 144 scale kits, you usually don't get really that many decals, but and they're not as best as they could be, but these look beautiful indeed. I think they have a glossy finish. No, yeah, it's a semi-gloss finish, which means they should go on very nicely indeed. So all that we can do is look at the small instruction sheet, which is pretty basic as you can see. That's about it for it. Nothing too much going on. Only one step, of course. On the other side, absolutely nothing. So yeah, let's recap it all. So for €6, you get a beautifully molded dragon kit. Um, need I say more? You've seen the detailing. It's such a small tank, but they've done a magnificent job at it. I suggest that you get it. It will be beautiful in a small diorama. I plan to use it as a tank that's getting outloaded from an ME323. I think I'll do a good job with it. I hope I will. But yeah, that's about it. Uh, I hope you enjoyed this small review, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.